having any kind of problem with the homework, please raise your hand. Yes, Sajad, any problem you are having? Any sums you are not understanding from the previous day's homework?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
hello ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, my mathematics copy is finished.
Okay, then just do it in the other copies. Means use any other school copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So from the next chapter I will start today. Okay. Uh, just wait for a while for this next chapter. What we will learn today, for that you need to just for that we have to understand the one formula. Now the next chapter, exercise E, page 81, while you will open, you will see that there is divide and verify the answer. The questions are like that. Okay. So here we will see that for that type of answer, why we will use, because for this type of division problem, if we are going to use the formula after doing the division, that time we will see that the division is correct or incorrect. We can just catch it is very easily. Okay. So I am just for that one very easy formula we are just going to learn. Okay, please just take with your sit with your books and everything, books, copies and everything. Here I guess you can see the from where I have started exercise G, page 81, divide and verify answer. Whatever the yellow part, first you write up to that. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is your formula. And exercise A also I have solved. In the copy only, please write. Copy only, copy. Sajad, I can see that you are doing in the book. Please, okay, okay, copy. Okay, I was mistaken. Okay, no problem. So the first sum we will first divide and take out the answer. Then what is the dividend? 89 is obviously the dividend. divisor, quotient and remainder we will write, and verification in the red line, you can see that from the red line we will start the verification, right? So like that way we will just verify and we will come back to the dividend. Okay, so hence we can just prove that this is verified, means our sum is correct. Okay, please copy this thing. I am giving you some time, means first you need to do division, after that you need to write it. Please do, means I am writing in the whiteboard one side, means one after other. Please in the copy you just use your entire page, side side কেউ লিখবে না, use your entire page. It is completed, Ahornish? Yes, Ahornish, why you have then raised your hand? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am, I have completed, and one more thing I want to tell you that actually you made a mistake for taking the that weekly class test. So please take this my copy in this practice test carefully
Okay,
because I haven't got one.
okay,
And
okay. Ahornish, your sounds are coming to me by breaking. Okay, maybe this is the internet problems. Yes, Dipan.
Ma'am, I have completed.
If you
So
have
the next.
okay, next at 4 of only you have started. E, question number E, you all start, do the division like this same way and solve it. I will just now only, I will just come back.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Deepan.
Yes,
You have done it the first one. We have to do to second one.
question number E, this question. This question E, question number E first you do. Then I will just tell you what to do next. Question number E, the same procedure. Completed this sum? Can I go to the next sum? I'm just lowering all the hands. If it is completed, please again raise your hand. Done? Okay, so next year I'm just stopping my share. Next year we will be doing the next sum. Next is age. Next is age sum we will be doing for in our class. Okay, so age sum what is it is written? 7 divided by 688. So first we will do the division. So here we will write like that. Dividend Now, in this type of sum, what we will do, every time we will write the formula. What is the formula? Formula equal to divisor equal to dividend wrong formula I was writing. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Next here we will write for the verification. In the verification part, we will do like that, divisor into plus 2. So here it will come, and here we will write hence verify. Complete it. Complete it very fast. Don't raise your hand right now. I'm going to give you the attendance. Just wait. Don't raise your hand right now. Done. I hope this is done. Now you can just raise your hand. So next is I. Next is I sum. You just try to do. Next is I sum. I am just trying to do. I, what is given? I, it is given 3 divided by 694. So first we will do the division 694. So here we will write like that dividend equal to divisor equal to so here we are just going to use the formula. Formula again we will write because how many times we are just going to write the formula, we can memorize it more nicely. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder spelling I've not written properly. Okay, please write the entire spelling. Verification. Here in the verification, what I will do, 231 means with the divisor, I will multiply the quotient and remainder I will add. 693 plus 1 equal to 694. So here we will write the answer, hence verified. Please complete it. And here I am just giving you a homework of J, J, K, and L is your homework. Okay, homework of today, tomorrow I will see it. Only three sums I have given you as the homework. Okay, please complete it. Class time is almost over. The meeting will be ended in any time. Complete it, everyone.